One of the main principles of academic literature is that authors use something called citations to give credit to past research or to tell us where they got their information from. For example, this article says that green tea has been used for centuries because it contains a chemical that produces tranquilizing effects on the brain. If you take a look at the citation at the end of the sentence, we can see that this information came from items 42 and 43 in the reference list. If we look at the reference list, we can see that item 42 is a book, and item 43 is an article about green tea. So if we wanted to learn more, we could see if the library has either of these items available. What this means is that you can find one really great article and you can often use the references from that article for your research as well. Sometimes librarians call this citation mining, but it's really just a simple process of finding a citation from a bibliography or a reference list and looking up that article. I like to think of this as traveling backwards in time to find information. As great as this is, sometimes we'd also like to know what's happened since a particular article has been written. Have other researchers picked up on certain ideas in the article? Have areas that were unclear at the time of publication become clarified through further research? Well, this is actually possible now in a process that's called citation searching. Citation searching allows us to go forwards in time to see what's happened since an article has been published by showing us if the article has been used as a reference by any other scholarly publication. If you think of all of this as a family tree, when we look at the bibliography or the reference list of the paper, we're using citation mining to determine the ancestors of a paper, to clarify information, gain context, and learn more. When we use citation searching, we're tracking the descendants of a paper to track new developments, find more recent information, and learn more about an area. Lots of databases allow you to perform a citation search. 3 popular databases are Google Scholar, Scopus, and the Web of Science.